Hey Mecca Beauty Junkies, it's Caitlin here from Mecca Maxima. This is my colour block eye. Dare to try it? Keep watching. So the palette that's inspired my colourful look today is the new Kevyn Aucoin ElectroPop Palette. There are so many amazing colours in this palette and I just wanted to use as many as I could. So I've already done my base and my brows. Favourite foundation is NARS All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation, and of course for the brows I used Hourglass Arch Brow. So I've already applied my Too Faced Shadow Insurance on my lid. Now I'm going to be going in with this colour. So I'm just going to go all over my lid using this beautiful pink shade. The shine on this is ridiculous. This colour is so intense, I feel like a unicorn. Wow. Now because this look is all about colour, I'm going to pair it with something that you would not expect. This is Deep End from Urban Decay. So I've just popped this eyeliner all through my waterline and now we're going to smoke it out using a few more colours from this bad boy. Using a smudging brush, I'm going to be going in with this colour here, blending it as close to the lash line as possible to smudge it out with that eyeshadow. How cool are these colours together? Such a great contrast. And now I'm going to be going in with this colour here, so it's a lighter green just to diffuse the colour underneath my eye. So now I'm going to be using this colour here to highlight my inner corner and brow bone to make everything pop. Hello, brow bone. Now to add a little touch of fun, let's pop on some purple mascara. So I'm just going to be using this on the top lashes because I don't think the bottom really needs it. So that's it for the eyes. What do we think? Next up, we're going to be using the Too Faced Chocolate Gold Soleil Bronzer. So I'm just swiping this over my cheekbones, just adding a little bit of warmth to the look. Now for highlight, I'm going to be using a brand new product that I haven't tried before, so I'm very excited about it. It's the Hourglass Vanish Stick Highlighter. The colour I'm going to be using is Champagne Flash. So I'm just going to dab this lightly on top of my cheekbones. I'm going to blend it with my finger. Also a little bit to the bridge of the nose and the Cupid's bow. Now to finish everything off, lips. I'm going to be using the NARS Audacious Lipstick in Anita. It's a very beautiful soft pink shade that's almost going to look similar to my natural lip colour. So there we have my colour block eye. Would you guys try this look at home? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, guys.